Hey guys, Fix It Rick here. Today I'm going to show you a construction pencil that I thought was sort of unique. I'm a big fan of these new construction pencils. This one's made by TRACER. It's called Proscribe. I picked this up at the National Hardware Show last week in Vegas. So, opening up the package, there's instructions. And here's the pencil itself and this base that I'm going to show you. And then what's really nice is they give you a whole bunch of extra leads. So the way these work is you just twist the top and get the lead you need. So there's two yellow crayon, the rest are graphite leads, but a great way to store extra leads. The pencil itself is kind of standard. So I've been a Pica fan for a long time, and Pica fan works really well. I'm loving the Pica, but the Tracer, exactly like the Pica. In fact, the leads are interchangeable, it looks like to me. But the cool thing is all the things that comes with this Tracer. Mainly, well, the case is nice, but mainly this base. So the way this base works, and actually as I think about it, I wonder if it would work with my Pica. It might. But you can see the base is nice metal bottom, so it slides easy. The pencil fits up here, like that. Okay. And once you've got the pencil in there, you've now got this articulated arm that allows you to position this in anywhere you want to do any type of scribing that you might need. So for example, let's say I need a nice flat line scribed across this block. I position the pencil and just slide it across. And you can see that gives me a nice straight flat line. But because this articulates, you could also, slide it this way if you needed to. There's a lot of different positions you can put this in to do just about any scribing that you need to do. So it's not only useful as a construction pencil all by itself, the scribing base really quadruples the usefulness of this product. Well made. This is going to probably be my new construction pencil. It's a TRACER Proscribe. That's all I have, guys. Thanks.